G. Forests are the lungs of the planet, providing us with clean air, fresh water, and a home for a wide range of animal species. They cover about 1/3 of the world's land area and are vital to the survival of both humans and animals. In this documentary, we will explore the fascinating world of forests and the animals that call them home. Types of forests. Forests come in many different types and sizes, each with its unique characteristics and inhabitants. Some of the most common types of forests are tropical rainforests. These forests are found near the equator and are known for their high humidity, dense vegetation, and a wide range of animal species. Boreal forests, also known as the taiga, these forests are found in the colder regions of the world, such as Canada, Russia, and Scandinavia. They are dominated by coniferous trees and are home to many large mammals such as bears, wolves, and moose. Temperate forests. These forests are found in the temperate regions of the world, such as North America, Europe, and Asia. They are characterized by a mix of deciduous and coniferous trees and are home to a variety of animal species. Mangrove forests. These forests are found in the coastal regions of the world, where the trees have adapted to live in saline water. They are home to a variety of bird and marine species. Animals in forests.